So the general form or the general equation for a line is when we have all integer coefficients, so no fractions or decimals, and we have it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. A, B, and C must be integers. So it's just another form of the equation of a line that we're going to be asked to put our answers in. So when we are doing this, we're just going to need to isolate all the variables and the constant on one side so that the other side is just equal to 0. So this equation is given in general form. Our A value is 2. Our B value is -3, and our C value is -2. Now, if we're asked to graph a line when its equation is given in general form, the easiest way to do so is to find its intercepts. To find the x-intercept, we plug 0 in for y, because any point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0. To find the y-intercept, we'll plug 0 in for x, because every point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate equal to 0. So if I plug in 0 for y, that would give me 2x minus 3 times 0, which is -0, minus 12. So I have 2x minus 12 is 0. If I add 12 to both sides, I have 2x is equal to 12, and then if I divide both sides by 2, I have x is equal to 6. So my x-intercept has coordinates of 6 and 0. X-intercepts always have a y-coordinate equal to 0. To find the y-intercept, I'm going to come up and put 0 in for x. So I'll have 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So again, if I add 12 to both sides, I'll have -3y is equal to 12. And then if I divide both sides by -3, I have y is equal to -4. So when I substituted 0 in for x, I got y equal to -4. So there's a second point on my line. So now I can plot those points. 6, 0, 0, -4. Draw a line through them, and voila, we have our equation that was given to us in general form graphed on the coordinate plane. If we're asked to take that general form and convert it to slope-intercept form, that was our given equation. We would have to start by adding 12 to both sides, and we'd have 2x minus 3y equals 12. Trying to get the y alone when we're putting it in slope-intercept form. So we'd subtract 2x from both sides to get the -3y alone, and that would give us -3y equals -2x plus 12. And then, of course, to undo the multiplication by -3, we would divide both sides by -3. And we'd have y is equal to 2/3 x minus 4. We can see that the slope of our line is 2/3, so for every 3 units we move to the right, it's moving up 2, and it's up because of the positive slope, and it has a y-intercept of -4.